Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to your ground. Welcome to One King Films. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe, like, share, comment, tell everybody about One King Films. Please watch the entire movie to the end. I hope you all enjoy it.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
JAMMIWOOD Studios. Love is real.
That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I'll die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me? Got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let 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 love be free.
Okay, brother. That's if I'm gonna come back over.
What's that simple master, man? You know, my sister, you know. Go and chill out so they'll cook it. So you say I'm going to them, man?
They know how to.
Yeah, man.
You know about it. You can refuse it. Jesus. Oh.
You like how you show me up in it? So you man,
What you got on there? Not that way? She up on the road still. When I did call her, she tell me she up on her way to come.
you love play with the puss. Till you cry up on your jaw, eh?
Yeah, your business. I'm my business.
You love him to the puss too much. Alright. Anyways, we are going to go over before it get dark.
Makes sense.
Bring it all up.
Bye-bye. Oh.
Okay, tomorrow, okay. I'm not ready tomorrow.
Thank you.
Alright, me see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah. You look at my there?
So, babes, you're not going to.
Boy, I like the word of me last night, you know. If the vibes not be there, the energy not be there, I swear.
So, B, you need to say 1 year half time when you're ready.
Yeah, she give me half 5 money, yes. But, you want cut it hard, some mother for cut it tomorrow. Or if she don't want it, just give her back her money and done. I just cut it tomorrow and done.
So, you want to eat for breakfast? I'm hungry, you know?
Not to know, what they run there?
What do you mean, I know? Nothing around there, need to make shopping, more some money.
No, what's what I can do?
soon get up and go look for it.
Yeah, man, it take long for forward, man.
Evening, Daddy.
Evening. To the whole life piece of land over the south where you look pan. You the man knock.
Yeah.
The man me a severe piece of land. All over so where you look pan over the south. That's for me. You know what I mean? My grandfather really down to me. Yeah.
Oh.
But I plan for do. I have a couple picnics down the ear. When I tell you, know you all here, brother and sister them. You only know the one I had. You understand? Your brother. But apart from that, I have a couple picnics on the road. So them now, through the circumstances of me and them when them give like a jacket to them, like if a woman, they're a bad man, and get her pregnant, she can't go tell a man, right? So the picnic we did the undercover, and my picnic said we, you know what I mean, undercover child. And then when a woman there with even a policeman or any politician, and then get pregnant by me, they can't tell me, they can't tell the world, say, am I, you know what, your life in a danger, my life in a danger. So because some of the time, you know, really want to go into the bun world, but the world just come to you. Because some of the time you can't help yourself, because the world is full of hot. And I'm not supposed to tell you, we have a daughter still, but I don't want you follow up in my foot. I was a gallus, I changed now. So I don't want you come be a manis.
Daddy,
you're 18 now. Wait first. You're 18 now.
Yeah.
So I want to give you a piece of land so a man can kick you around. Because when you start work, you start save your money to build a house. Go into the housing trust program, you're young, then get a loan, but you have a land already. So I land me a civil up and cut up it. That means say, each of the people them go get one acre, a quarter acre for themselves. So more you get. Yeah, my favorite daughter, maybe I get 3 acres. No, I get 3 acres.
Yeah. So I can get 5 acres.
I will probably forget. So you get for your 3 acres, you go get like 1 and half and quarter.
You can say 5?
No, but no, you have enough picnic forget them for them. What more you do more you farm pepper per 1 acre. I know I work for people. You can't work with people in Jamaica have nothing. You go have 1 of the acre them can do sweet pepper mix with tomato, but 1 of them be hot pepper. The world want hot pepper now. Yeah, there's a market there, then I tell the local people them. But we put me here as on corner and listen. So them want pepper what a world, you farm pepper and sell pepper and be rich and happy. That is it. So differently, come here talk now. Where you see I go on now?
Me there say, how every minute you get locked up for I will never get
The maintenance, yeah. But funny enough, your mother alone lock me up, The rest of females, them. Me always try to stay with females that have money. Your mother is the only one. No, I'm not Natalia. She's the only one coming back and forth a courthouse. And she get me vexed because, you see, if you look at brother when you have done a yard there, if you know income by that brother, that's the same reason me and I left. Right? So that's the reason why me alter your life. Me left and so and go build a house at a different place and me start my business. So everything happen for a reason, but everything have a reaction. So it's a reaction. So my time you vex, but it reflect it bad for you, but I'm sorry for that. But she just overcharge me.
But Daddy, she never have to do that because you take care of me. I don't see sense she make her get locked up for foolishness. And I like saying, give me nothing. Yeah, give me money. You make sure say me I eat food. When she don't have no money, I give her money, say if you take care of me. And that she feel understand.
I was a foolish man. You know, right? So most of the time when I give her things, I don't document it. Right? So what she do now, she team up with some people who don't like me. So after certain years pass, she just say, alright then, me not give her no money from this era to couple years down the line. So the court now no busy about that coming on no proof to say yeah me I give you money and this and that. So them just use that against me and them charge me big money at the time. Me never have so much money. So then give me time for pay off it. So the time when they give me pay off by the time, so my time was catch up a pay it off, then lock you up. Me lose my work, me lose this, but me go through the separation and the struggle through all of that and survive it. Me have a business and no part, me successful. Me never give it, me never sell the land. Because me pre like a Western snipe. You know what I mean? Me pre-earth. That means if me give her the land, you will value the money you land value more money than what I give me for it at the time. No, the land have value upon this. You see when I come inherit piece of the land. I land alone me the have as back it if I couldn't use it because I don't want to lose it. You understand? So your mother is a wicked woman, but me not go too much deep in what she do differently. Today is a good day. You know, I give thanks to life. It's a beautiful day. And you make it, you pass the word, say you do good at school. And that I'm grateful for. You study your book. Yeah, man. So, go walk over the land, more sure for your peace, you know? Come through.
Hello? What's up, girl? I get some water and tired, so I'm just sit down. Yeah, but I go and relax and cool off. We catch some more water at tongue side.
Mommy.
Me call her back. You hear me that to come check me. Alright.
We're going.
There, man, good?
Yeah, alright.
I'm doing well, and you?
Yeah, make me feel good 100%. What 100%? Guess what? Daddy, I give me 3 acre land for myself.
Your daddy's doing what? 3 acre land for yourself? That sounds amazing. You can always do that for maybe real estate or, you know, anything farming or something. That sounds really good. Make sure I get my piece.
Oh, it be nice. Well, my tell me it be nice. Well, my tell me so I can farm pepper, sweet pepper and them things up on one side of the land. So I say, yeah, that sounds like a good idea. And I say, like, I'm 18 and now, I can something about our house and trust and something like that then. But say when I say, can borrow money and like build my house and like I'm have a land already. I can work and give people their money. That's what I say.
Oh, you're talking the National Housing Trust. But guess what? You have to be at least 1 year contributor to the Housing Trust and can get money from that to build on your house, on the land you have already. But I must contribute at least 1 year. I can always apply as a self-employed person. You pay less as relates to the fee.
Okay. Oh.
So just apply as a self-employed person. Sounds really good, my daughter.
Alright, mommy. Well, I want to go inside and I'm kind of outside.
Really?
Sometimes I like staying so they know that too.
Alright, go on now.
Alright.
Love you and
Love you.
all the best.
Alright. Go inside.
Hello, sir. You go tell me say, me just come off of the road come buy the little bread. My own money could have buy bread so you can eat you and your sister. I could even sweep up the yard. Eh? What kind of style that? Every day is the same thing. Why you so nasty? All this to the other day. Me sit down. Here garbage you want pile up.
So
Here
that
garbage you want pile up in the settee. Settee bottom left not buy settee. You have a fresh shot here, sir?
I'm putting this here, putting it.
Why you so nasty? And now you want woman? Eh?
It's more should be play. What you say want me to do?
Sweep up the yard, your man. You're the man of the yard.
That means I'm not do nothing. More should be play tomorrow. What more you want me to do?
You must learn.
If
Simple.
you're a slave here.
Excuse me, don't talk to me like that. You're still a child. I'm paying you. What? Really?
And then first I do this, you know.
So you're talking to your mother like this? Like seriously?
Yeah, so.
Huh?
What else more you want me to do?
Clean the place.
We have your daughter for. We have your daughter for. Look at slave here. Yeah, don't give me the wrong side.
I have to buy food for you to eat, clothes to wear, shelter, here to even breathe. The most you can do is just to keep the place clean and learn at school. That's all. The most you can do is just be clean. Don't talk to me like that.
You know, I'm going to leave your place, you know.
No problem. No problem. Finally. Outside and rude. Oh, where you go?
Yeah,
So you pack a long time already. You pack a long time already. I'm tired of you too. I'm tired of you too.
Take me down so much you go. I'm one, I believe.
You big and red gonna stop piss bed. Eh? Yeah, come talk about woman yard. Your man will say a piss bed. Ranking boy. Come out of my house, man. Rude. You not leave. You're not leaving. Disgusting.
So, Brittany, where's your brother? It's taking so long. Why the long wait?
But I wait upon him because a long time I say my left out. I wait upon him because a long time I say my left out and I can't reach. I can't reach.
So, I got him.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Come here. You sure? Hey, brother.
Good night.
Hi, free.
Good night.
Good night.
Alright.
Good, just a little bit stuffy.
Hope you get well soon. Ready, Brittany?
Of course, I'm ready for the road, bro.
Hello. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Like how you look, man. It's probably I go now.
Look up on the road.
Like how you look, man. Me and stop there in a cool and hear me and say the corner.
Can I not rush in about here, yes?
Can I cool and hear you?
Yes, I know.
My name is Hector.
My name is Brittany.
Brittany. Like how I say, man. Mom can just see you again.
Well, hopefully.
Like how you look, man. It's probably I go now. Give me a number of my call, you know.
No, I can't do it. I have a boyfriend and he's very strict on me. So, no, I can't do that.
So you may say, look now. I rush it off, so.
Come in there in a rush, sir. What happened to you?
No, I'm too, man. As I said, I don't know how I see you again, you know.
Sir, I'm not in this right now. I have somebody and I want to look for them with somebody way older than me. Understand? I'm in a relationship and I don't settle down, so goodbye, yeah?
See that, man, but you're still fat.
Yeah, we have a time.
Hello?
Who that?
Jutta.
Who?
Jutta.
I watch breeze blow here today now. Anyways, may I come? Hi.
Oh, all right.
There. You can come inside. I look nice too.
I want to see boy. I go there for a while, you know. But she them forward in that place, me, isn't it? So I come here one bus down. I want to see all my son.
Anyways, I can tell her, but before that, what you bring for me?
What yourself?
Alright, so Zayvon now, brother, a pay problem. Him not live here now. Him don't live here. He move out and go live with him woman. Or should I say him woman come live with him? You understand? So him not live here and a pay problem. Him not do good at school. I just have waste money going so. No look IGP, I pay GPA below 2. Him not perform. You just a waste of time and my waste my time to some mother. I'm tired of him, you know. I'm sick and tired of that boy there. I'm tired of him.
So all that money them we send from foreign. All that everything we do. I'm a house money me I send him, you know. So tell me something, which part of them live now?
Well, you know, to be honest, him live on a pineapple bottom lane, so me can direct you or me can actually follow you go there. You understand? But him not live here, as I said before, him not live here.
Man, I will give them a buzz. It's okay. You know, start cheating me there and nothing. I have one project place with them, you know, where them rent out for redo the work, them, you know. So I say, I know if you come stay with me over there.
Let me tell you this, and also this come down. Whatever was in the past, now it's the present. I move on, and so did you, so leave me alone. You must be mad. You want my man kill me? Eh? Him know he left this, him know he left it. Wash and clean and turn down. Don't go there, bright.
Hey, watch out. That's scissors there. We cut me. So forward, so coming.
Anyways, what good rubbish.
Zevan.
How would that?
Zevan there.
No, in the year.
Zevan father this thing.
Oh, okay. I'm your girlfriend.
Spartan gone.
You know what I say? I'm supposed to run a back road up my yard.
See you Spartan tomorrow.
Somewhere in our town.
Alright, I'm sorry, man. I look for you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, still here.
Big up yourself.
Alright. Boss, somebody outside come to you.
Who is the person?
A tall Rasta gentleman.
What name?
You know some I don't know though.
Go on, say Tara, someone I'm going to know. Oh, but you are. Go on. Go ask the person who him be.
Alright.
Oh, boy.
He said his name is Jutta.
Jutta. Oh, I'm a general man. Send him forward.
Alright.
You good though?
Yeah, man.
You look at me and laugh, so. You're not getting enough. You ready to eat again?
Yeah, man. Some come back, man.
Go on. Carry man come. So breathe in here. You go on.
Burn them off.
Go on, I'm a general.
There, man.
Long time no see I, man.
Yeah, man. Dropping that place and woman. You see?
Here, so you're not there, you're not daddy.
Why me tell you, let's be a work and lucky, you see? You know, over them place, they kind of cold, you see? Yeah, man.
I see your son one day, son, that's so. I say, yo. But you ain't keep in contact still.
I say, I'm more girl in Crown.
Because in there, I call you one time. Yeah, man, so I'm supposed to be bright boy. I don't know my day, no long time, I'm not going to find that answer on this still. Can't talk to you about it. But you're good though.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man, you know.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. You know what I mean? So you have life, when you're there, everything good. So you're good though, differently. We have a drink and burn one skip and drink 2 beer, man. One of them there.
Yeah.
You understand? Now one video there, edit up and things there. You know what I mean? So, we'll deal with that. Check back later in the evening, man, or even tomorrow.
Yeah, man, because I pass through me, so I make, you see?
Yeah, man, you go
Pick up
over.
yourself, man, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Hold on.
You gotta know.
Yeah.
So you want to know.
We're going to do it on this.
You are to know. I have a deadline on this video to give that somebody. You say, I'm not done this year, you not get no money. I'm not gonna have no money. And my woman I yard love money and she lazy. So, for now, we just done our work here first and then in the evening we can do something. What do you think about that? I know see a white liver, you know. Can you get it this morning? I know you want it now. Again. You get him out of that yard, you know. That's good. And we're gonna start it out. No worries, sir. But give me a little time first. Yeah, go on, what do we have? You eat already?
No, I'm not eat yet.
You know, see a white liver, you know. Cause I see how you look for me one near me. So anyway, take a money out of the account. Buy something for yourself, buy something nice. And buy something sexy off of the net, some sexy lingerie that shit there. You know, do something in the office. You can costume up. You know, something costume-ish. You can do one little kitty cat or one little something. Right? Give me something when I get a yard. A yard kind of boring, so I want to look at something smile when I go home. When I go, my wife is me, I smile and think she will I'll just you me and think about. Alright, Seki? Terry?
Alright, later. Yeah.
Alright. What do you think? So talk to you. So,
And daddy, are we not forward?
A long time forward, man. Every subject come in Senegal College for, you fail. And I this you come and do chop yard. I don't understand that. Are you island?
No, no, my island. I work, I get some can do work, I get.
I go over your yard, see your girlfriend, tell me say I work you gone. When I come back out, I say look. This a type of work you do. All of my money you waste at college, not even one nice subject them. You know, you could even clean up one nurse place. It would have even better. No man,
Yo, daddy, I'm sorry, you know. But you are a top girl, you know, daddy. And you're supposed to proud of me in one sense, you know, daddy. Because you say myself to be a girl, you know, I might feel my subject then, but I don't feel the girlish thing.
I feel the girlish subject. You know, so I let me flick you down and I son at you now. Come talk about. Yo, you say you want to go to college. I stay from foreign and send you all my money come give you for go to college. So when you stop going to college, you still take the money them. Where all my money them when I send come give you there? I'm a house money I send come give you, you know. That's it. Yo. Where do we do all my money them? Where I send come give you from foreign?
Daddy, all of them time they don't give me money for go to college and all that. Back in class me there, you know. That's it, me on a subject you know, but you don't have to go on to man. Give me a thing now. You can buy me a car, you know, you're a big foreigner, you know. Most can buy me something, man, because I'm tired of walk foot, you know.
You say if you not prove to me and say me I go proud of you, you go just see me come and just lick you down. Because I now grow up no tree, so yeah?
Alright, daddy, later. So you now buy me anything, daddy?
But it is a rough day at work, you know. But thanks for the lunch. Yeah, because you know when rain fall, you know it's a soap at the right leg. But I don't know why you get a big spoon now. Why you get a big spoon now? The spoon, okay, one spoon you carry a war and go lick down the girl. Okay, you love fight. Why you love fight that woman them for?
You're lucky, see, if you get a spoon, you should have just come and eat with your hand. Thanks for this day alone.
Thank you. But why you keep on accusing me like I'm always doing something bad? Most of the female them that I just talk to them and you never fight. I don't know why you never fight for. You know what I mean? None of them no really no relationship or nothing like that. I even love how you have eyes up. Men are just friends. I just have a lot of friends, right? So you don't need to fight them all. Because in my life, back in the days I was that person, but not anymore. I'm a change man now. I just ring for pay finger now and call it a day now. But one, when I do a marriage, I do one place apart. We have real things there. I buy one diamond ring apart. You know what I mean? Very expensive. We are miles away when I hold this up, people can't see it.
So you think so you can't tell me about marriage now, I'm going to forget where I got along with you. You think so I don't know? I don't have to depend on the road for seeing you. Remember, so I know people. And then girl, the way I talk about, say you're nothing or nothing, you can't tell me that. So you see, you know, I'm not name fire, I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid, I know say they are. You could have them all in your office, so I can't sit down in that chair.
Nothing like that. Like that. You might have a fire about 3 secretaries already, you know, because I see them accusation. Because some of them are married women, them and then come for work and you see me and them there and you and them in an argument till me have end up fire them. You see the one of the year, do not in an argument with her. Please and thank you. No, at the pastor daughter. So she now look my way not all. I'm a Rasta and her father is a pastor. So just have some mercy upon her and just lower her. Not tell her nothing about nothing. Because she work good, she do her job good. She do a good job. Right?
So was she being the pastor that's all for do with it? Eh? You know, nothing for do with it now. Whether she want to be good girl, you never can't tell me if she a play around with you. Because you like girls. I know that every girl where you see in a short skirt and so, why you don't get a man secretary then? What make her have one woman? Hmm?
Alright, I'm telling you now. When I calculate it, most of the youth them will go to school. Them not to study the book as much because them busy as study the girl them. Just like me. I skill me survive it. Right? Because me I go to school I be a girl. I just look for girls so I know me change.
You still a look for girl.
But apart from that though, I don't think this job suits a man. This is a female job to do for a female to work with a man. That's all the balance. Because you want equality with woman and man. Woman have to do everything. So you have to put the woman night. Because me and a man, I run the business, they have a woman secretary. I told her to come and work, but you don't want to work down here. So you want there, yeah, most of the time you want to provide everything we want. So just make me just do my work in peace and no bother fight with people them at all. But the good book say you must trust people. Because if you cannot trust nobody, how can nobody trust you? Can I really trust you? The people not fighting. Oh, I know that you're not fighting them because you're in love with them, man. Eh? You know, sometimes the guiltiest people, them who jealous the most, is the bad people, them. I never question your integrity, you know. But you go to start look. You see, oh, because you're a girl and we see me where I see and like you, see me the next man go see and like you. And I'm alone say look like nice and look like neat. And I'm alone. See it. So what about the man that I talk to you? Do you want me have a man secretary? So you and him can team up. You have a man secretary in mind? Man, I want your boyfriend who want to come in for okay, you know. Ramp me, you know. Oh. I don't know. I'm going to put the fire in you. Make you just fire with someone beat off everybody.
So Mark said this, when you do this a little speech, I thought change nothing. Thought change what I think.
No, I know it's not going to change a lot.
If you can't get a man secretary, do your work by yourself then. Because I'm not going to trust no girl yourself. Simple. Yeah, they talk all this nonsense. And none of what I said don't even make sense anyway. So what the hell I talk about me liking the girls them, man? Me not even know them, man. But for me still I get close with you, it's going to be a problem for me. And you know me head easily triggered.
Alright. Thank you for this stupid soup. I wonder if I tie up on time in head.
Up here and see her out there, so you know what go happen. Me
Thank you, soup, but I tie time in head.
Nobody can try and change no topic here, so I don't say what me have to say, I go back on my yard. And by the way, when you come, bring KFC.
So that is. How will I get the soup from? And mommy can come?
Yeah, man, the stepmother can come.
You know, so I said soup she cook up a yard though.
It's nice, ain't it, right?
You know, give me none. You said the soup, they have a special red pea soup. You don't get none. That's why I can't check if you money if you buy something to eat.
Alright. Go teach a lesson, boy. Them try to Latin off as a boy, you know. A month of tie, then try tie me have a dilly dally and loose and every little thing. Then tie me in a shirt, slippers, because they just want this a wire. Sugar cane, they just love it. But me teach you something. You get all out. See, I have a girlfriend and you not do nothing, but whenever them a cook, careful with 2 piece something that we tie up. Unless you love the woman. Well, a lady, I love one up her yard still. She want time, she can't tie me. Still, but me not.
She tie you?
I don't know, because 2 pieces of them tie people, you know, naturally. You know, enter your day, the woman will make you 2 pieces give you. Right? Unless you love the woman. So if you love the woman and you want him tie you eat us 2 pieces when she cook it. Right? Anyway, Simonia. What you gonna do? Buy.
Thanks.
Yeah, something for yourself.
Sister,
yeah, your sister go buy that for. But more you buy one special piece of chicken for me now. Because tomorrow we go play that game there. Have a look at some of them more check. Buy chicken and come back and drop off. It's a KFC. Right. Because if you tie me in a 2 piece, I go tire in a KFC chicken. Carry come.
Alright.
KFC chicken come with me right now before after I go buy it for you. Here?
Alright, then.
I'll tie if you tie. Yeah. Marcia. We know say yeah. We now go about this again. But one now ask you a favor. The same woman will take me away from you. Never feels that she try to tie me. Where do you get the things to tie me the last time you tie me? Because you was one of the hardest ones to lose. Alright. I'll give you money. One night stand only. Only 1 more time when I make love to you. No more time after that. We have a deal. Alright, more caps. You can't use in a church, in a KFC chicken. Alright, perfect enough because you love KFC. Alright? Alright. Alright. Go.
Well, go on. I'm there now, you show me, so if you tell me what I go on, what I go on.
Well, I don't know, I want to talk to you face to face, you know. It's urgent.
This sounds serious. But, everything good with my daughter though?
Yeah, she good. She good, man.
Cause last time you called me, you know, it was something like this. You called me, say this and that, and then to me wake up the inner you, right? And we get my daughter out tight still, so I not really complain and say this and say that. But open I say game you play again, right?
Whatever that means.
Yeah, because the woman I have now is a mad woman. Yeah, so me know she not too like you neither, you know. So you know how it go. Right? And she come from a warmonger tribe. So me don't really want the violence. See 2023 I can't manage the stress, right? Can't manage the stress. Alright, so we're gonna make you walk. Me dey here upon the record, mash up some little thing, cause my music video I do for small, my edit off here now, and then we can go to the so. Alright, so after that now, I come check you, right?
Alright, don't have me waiting, I hear that.
Because, yeah, you see my woman, she love me sugar cane, you know. So more you know, say, whoop, something like that, you have plans, right?
When you say me I eat, I'm gonna come sit my stomach now, me I eat.
Well, sugar cane good for stomach. It fit your stomach perfectly, you not sick your stomach.
You must know.
You know, see one of the wild one them, you know. Every time I see you from miles away, my mom gonna pass, see a little lip. So I'm not fool.
I say you put a lyrics some long time. You know easy, you know? I know me, I must be twin sister, can't me.
But differently from that. You know who come check me a while ago? No fear, baby father, come check me. Wanna give you the son.
Who you talk?
Yeah man, him come check me a while ago, man. You know what I mean? Saying back in our place, you know what I mean? Yeah, so him not know say me breed you and give the daughter, the second child. You know say get a second kid by the way?
Him don't know yet, but I'm gonna know.
Aye. I'm virgin, you know, I don't want it. You and him can explain that there. Because I never seduce you, you know. I never seduce you. I wake up because them couldn't charge you for rape. But you know you for a long time, I love you. Alright? So
you want to rape you? Me do rape you?
well, if I never give account, you see, alright, a part of my body have no sense, you have no brain. You know what I mean? So I cannot control it. So when I was unconscious, but it was awake, I blame it all the while, I slap it, so bye, you should know yourself and know what it do. But anyway, it do what it do already, and it make what it make, and it take what it take. So, love my daughter. So, regardless of what take place, make it turn. But you and your baby father have to know that. Me and then no argument about that. But I'm a virgin still. You know what I mean? So what happened already, then it can't happen again. Make it turn. But I can't check you though. You say urgent, I can't check you. Alright? They I fix up what music with the phone, a young youth them. You can hear somebody a cough tonight, a deep throat, them say that song name, deep throat. I don't know, young people are talking about, yo, we not night with them. Then now go back to the vegetable and the natural good vibration, reggae music, everything a chop dog. Anyway, I have a long talking, here. Alright, me come check you, alright. Go and feed your face. Yeah, go and feed your face, but feed more than your face. Alright, we go on. Later.
Sure. It's messy, yeah.
Okay, I'll kiss you for you. You know, yeah, me feel because look her daughter-in-law, you know. You make my son happy and cause I'm tell you, you see that son there, he never did learn at school until he and him start talk. Because he's busy, I focus on getting a new grade, and since he get you, he just calm down and I talk up in book. So I love that. So when you call me and say you want to come talk to me, I wonder what the problem is. Is somebody molesting you at your home? No. So it's something pertaining my son? When do you know? Don't tell me say I beat you. I beat you up? But what is it? Talk to me now.
I say not that though.
What is it then?
I say I'm pregnant and now I'm telling my mother.
You're pregnant? Oh, you're sure you're pregnant now? And is the pregnancy coming now? You're sure?
You take one test.
And you pass the test of pregnancy. Alright. And apart from that though, when did this happen? Cause my son tell me everything I'm doing now. He tell me, is it time I get suspended at school because I don't have sex in my classroom? The whole time he said, don't have sex. You don't have sex after that?
No, you know, see that time only time when I lose my virginity.
Alright. Tell your mother to talk to me. Don't be afraid because I no go, it a go. I come, it a come. But be sure first. Not really rush to no concert and don't do nothing too excited. Don't live up no every weight or do nothing extra. But just do the right thing. And if you happen to say you're pregnant for true, don't worry yourself, man. Me will be a grandfather, nothing wrong. You know what I mean? And my son will be responsible because that's the way me grow him. And you should have used a condom or abstain. But still, it does what it does and it do what it do. So anyway, don't fret too much. Don't talk to your mother. You understand? You talk to your mother anytime she want to beat you, you run. Gonna run and jump. Just run away and come stay, find a place, put a few time being until she calm down. Because after baby born, she go be the grandmother who love her grandpitney. But you wrong to do it, but you wrong gone already. And if you happen already, you can reverse. Alright? So don't worry yourself too much about it. Just go on back. Why you not go to school today though?
No, I'm not going to school today. Because I wake up and I vomit and kind of feel sick. So I can tell her.
Anyway, it is what it is and it's done already, so I can't say much about it. So just go back home, drink some tea, eat some food and relax. And today I set an appointment with my personal family doctor and I can go see him and then we take it from there. So alright? Yeah, so my son no.
No, we never tell him no.
Alright then, no worry, me tell him. Just one go do what you do. And me talk to him and then to want to communicate. Uno go be good, but uno do have wrong step, but one wrong step I mean say end of the world, right? You still can't go on track. Because you want bright girl at school and you want a bright person to one can, if you really serious together, you can make life better and change reality. So later, we have enough work to do today. I have plenty of things to do today. But we talk. Your daughter-in-law, you make my son happy, and I'm one son. You will pick me and be a girl pick me. Okay. Mr. Breeder, sir. Why can't check your father now? Remember me I call the breeder for? Come check me. You're going like me when me young, you know. Come check me right now, man. Right now. Come check me right now. Yeah, Dr. Faster. Yeah, me I say no, yeah. I'm going to send one little girl come over there, you know. What time are you available? Yeah, man. He's a member of the family. He's a little girl, potentially to be carry one picnic for my son. Daughter-in-law. Yeah, man. 5 o'clock. Yeah, man. Yeah, one idea we play 2 damn and have a drink, man. You know where I go? Alright, doctor. Come in.
I'm going to do this.
Look like you start out early though. You're only 15 and your girlfriend just checked me a while ago. Said she's pregnant.
Pregnant? I don't know nothing about that.
Yeah man. She's pregnant. Remember saying no? You and her get suspended because you don't have sex in the classroom at school. Right? And teacher don't catch you, you get suspended. Right?
That's true.
Alright. So now, a good while that about 6 weeks now. So when you check your ratio height, she can be pregnant for true. Because did you use a condom?
Boy, if you tell her the truth and that, I never did use none.
But my teacher that from a long time say you do use a condom. Because it's not only pregnancy, different STDs and different things is out there. You know what I mean? We can contract. You know what I mean? Because the human being is so untrustable because you don't know who to trust. So it's verified. But you're 15, she's 15, so it's only young. So the future not really mash up for her still really. But if she's really pregnant, we're gonna make her face some responsibility by making her get a little job, a part-time job. We're gonna have things so easy. You know what I mean? That means you know, say alright then. And look at money you make her for that, you can put it down towards the baby future. Don't worry about that, me take care of anything to take care of. I send her go for the doctor, right? And make the doctor verify everything and just everything good. Right? So one thing about that girl, I don't really feel no way. Before you meet that girl, you were dropping out in school. The grades you go down. But since you get, she look like a second down and you know, bag a girl and thing, you want somebody to deal with. So you make your grades balance. So that's good. Education is the key, you know what I mean, to some things. You know what I mean? So, anyway, what going on yard there?
Why, you know, so yard good though.
Where's sister then?
Left her up there asleep.
But she good for most of the time, she loves sleep. But anyway.
We have money now.
Give me some, I'll give you money and you go pick up more about 2 oats or 3. More 3 pack of oats. Right? And if buy anything I buy for myself, about on outboard. You know what I mean? Remember, I carry on out on the weekend. You can invite your girlfriend. Carry on out, go one place, go have either something taco, or a local friend have a local business. We're going to need 2 pieces of chicken taco and come back. Alright? So invite her out and tell her when you go home and not tell her as I tell you. More verify it from the doctor first, right?
Alright, thanks.
Alright, so go and find what you do now, we have things to deal with.
Alright.
Hello.
Well, go on.
There, good.
I like you when you're smaller. Daddy, look innocent little girl. No, I don't like her just on the road, man. Much man look you for there? No man look you for there?
No.
Man go look, I don't want that. Why can't I just come and look a church girl?
I don't them style them. I like you look short and cut up. You know, cropped up and them things. I don't like them long dress there like a gown.
How much man look you for man in? Because look like a man you want to look you go out with dressing them weird. You dress like the girl them on back road. That's how you're dressing so right now. It's not, I'm not dissing you, but I'm telling you that if you dress this way, people gonna treat you a certain way. They're gonna call her first. But it's when I dress good, they have to say, Madam, hello, hi. But when you dress like that, I be a big and they have to offer you because that's what. So you go find one nice boy kick you down and back you down because they're dressing like a little hot girl. You get a little hot boy. You see, if you just like one church girl, you go get one lawyer boyfriend and one doctor boyfriend that can take care of you. You want one man to knock you around the corner and lick you down? Alright. You get what you look for. Listen me now. What you come here for today? And I guess you understand, said the secretary said we give you hi. Yeah, look upon her and we look.
Is she first?
No, listen. Between me and you now. She is kind of your stepmother in some sort of language. Wait, calm down. So, she'll make your father happy. So, please, just
make you happy, but make me happy.
Listen now, when I am happy, money make. You see when I'm sad, no say it work. No money you come for.
Yeah.
So, yeah, go on, so. Listen, man. You see, I go give you money. You ensure that. You go on now. You begin off now. I will talk to my accountants. And them say, alright, I can give you a card. Right? So you go get a receipt, I go down. You have your student ID something?
No, I'm not tired.
Alright, what you have to do now? Because you start a machine, you swipe your money. So this a card, listen now, this year, bring it down to the bank. The same one, Nova Scotia. And let them give you a card. And do not use as much money on Friday. Go put money straight. You don't have to come here and check me. Because I don't want you to come one day and buck up in a card. So my time she be tell her to lock the door, she don't lock the door. Right? So I wouldn't want you to come buck up on your father and make one next baby who knows so appropriate to traumatize you. Alright, here we know. Take your time, go on home. You just talk to your mother a while ago. She wants to see me. When I go over there, tell her say, when I come. I'm busy today. I have to try to do this and something. You have to learn the trade, you know. You have to learn how to edit and some time you couldn't get to the work. You could have make extra money. Go on and know. What's secretary out there do? What she do there?
You don't know me not
You see her
here.
on phone out there?
Because I don't like her.
Todash.
Yes, me hear out there talk about beats and love you and one bag of same thing. I tell you, she's not good for you. Me not like her, so you not like her. Anything we pick no go by, I saw if you go. So
Hear me now. You see she out there, she look like in her prime. I am a whole sugar zazzy. So I don't care about who she love. As long as I get what I get, I give her, she bounce for me, look sugar jump off on her. And she work as secretary, so she work and she collect and every little thing. Don't worry about that. But one thing, more she listen to me say though, I tell her for lucky shop. More hear if she has like, she give a piece last night. Because she have certain time when she nobody enough get on her yard, and certain time when like more auntie does stay away until certain time. I certain go. But anyway, I enough talk about this. I'm a daughter. Go on. Alright, go on home. Tell the mother how this. Tell them something for a while.
but wait, me have something more for you. Let's say today when me walk on the road, one big black tough tall rasta man if you are mule. I don't like him. The man chat about how he love me, how you want this friend, how you want to touch my breast. One bag of same thing, daddy. One bag of same thing.
Alright, my daughter. Because now some time look for you from side, look at me also. So
Daddy, see you, daddy.
come. Go on home.
See you.
Hello, stop look at me.
I'm gonna say that I travel in your office, daddy, no?
Girl,
You can't boss her ass, you know. If they're yard, but they are in the office. You see when they're there, so? Then you're there. She tell me, say, girl, the phone to talk out the door. When they're here, may have an agreement. You do not talk to your man here until you go out on the road. So when they're there, you're finished. And your man must not come here. Why not you do? And when I say lock shop, I'm paying you for that, right? And you're doing nothing good. But I want to like Chatel. Because she, you know, I'm looking at that.
but she don't like me.
No, she don't like. But you see, you know, you can bust her ass. Anytime she get problem, we go give you the authority. When you lick her, no lick in her eye or nothing. But lick her in a place before you know, say, lick her in her foot bottom in her sharp ribs and then we there. We go apart, you. Because you deserve a beating. So you get all on the law pass already. We can't beat her. But you can bust her ass and me party and say, oh, it's like a fight. But we pay your money afterwards. When I did them, man, because I know she want to be. She nah, look, you're just nice. You're just like a lady, but you're a. Let me get on. Come down. I'm done a project here, so please. You got too much temptation. I'm so ready for you. Here? Alright. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright, careful.
Excuse me?
It only have a branch to go on.
Waiting.
We can't. Because I give me to eat already, mommy.
Cut them off. Cut every part of them.
Don't worry, give
What
me.
me get to eat. No worry about that when
Mommy,
we
I can't clean up the kitchen.
Brittany, relax.
I can't.
Relax.
want to sleep.
You're getting old then, you must learn these simple things to keep your house clean, your kitchen especially.
It's so hard when the chicken for free cooked, don't you?
No, you'll take them off. Yeah,
then why you give me them for eating on my plate, man?
It's not, I must say grandmother yet talk, I can't be.
Mommy, and you
It can't be me, it can't be me, and I'm here talk. Don't do that.
So, for black some pan chicken for them to eat, and you're not give yourself them to eat. Yeah,
Where try crew?
Mommy, kuya, when them go to a restaurant, I'm gonna get them a black bucket pan chicken for dinner.
And your point is?
Yeah, give me them for eat. If you like a pies, you want pies in me or something.
Brittany, my daughter, don't do that. I love you out there, I want to poison you. I don't want to kill a long time. I'm trying to say you're pregnant. Feel good for fuck. Don't do that.
See me cut off now. Don't do that. The man work there, my kitchen work.
You must learn. You're getting older. You must learn to do these simple things to keep a house clean. You understand? One day you might get married, have a family for yourself. You have to learn. You can't expect me to be doing everything, paying bills, feeding you, and cleaning the place. Don't do that. How dare you? And stop complaining, man. Go on. Oh, boy. Massa. The life of a mother. More black.
Are you gonna come to?
Okay, shoot.
What kind of business you and my man fire in a?
What kind of business me and your man fire in a? We attack. We really attack. A Brian you attack?
Then how much fire you know, so how much of them you have opinion with? How much fire they with? I did a link with me to say call you and him not there again.
First of all, me know no fire. And if a Brian here talk, Brian dad is my baby father. Okay?
Yes, I him me attack. Me have him phone and me say you in there text him. Why you text him for? What your purpose of texting him? I understand say you're in baby mother, yes, but you don't need to text him. Me tell her that.
Listen to me, lady. Our little girl. Brian is my baby father. The only reason I'm texting her, maybe calling his phone, is because we have a child together. A daughter, as a matter of fact. I was contacting him the other day regarding some DNA testing for my daughter, just to be on the right side. You understand? I don't want a man like that. So I don't understand as to why you're here talking to me about whatever.
Well, let me tell you this. All woman, since as me a young girl, all woman, let me tell you this. You see, any conversation una have over the phone, you chat about DNA and so why you do along with to making no way up in the Don't come to me man no check, let me tell you that. And secondly, you see any more communication if you go on pertaining to you and your child towards my husband to be, communicate through me. I don't want you to text off and call off your phone. I don't want you to text off and call off your phone.
As I said, it's just my baby father. Regarding the child. Nothing.
I don't talk to you. I don't make my warning and that me stand on. Stop text and call off.
What a calamity. Hello. What I mean by what? When you send a woman over mail come question me about say she don't like how me I text her or call her phone. tell her this, sir. Make sure you warn her, you know. One little straight dog.
Hey, do not call my woman a stray dog.
Warn her. Come not like woman. You understand? You know some head mad already. Mad head sitting no good. You hear that?
You're more of a stray dog. Do not ramp with me. But I talk to her though. I apologize for her behalf. I just stay. She's very jealous about me.
So when I behave so? You soon know.
Because she must suspect something you call me so much time and she said, me not lock my phone, you know. You understand? So you go on so far. Calm down, man. Me talk to her. Yeah, hello baby. Where there? Where up on the road? Come link me right now. Go in my office. Come in my office. Right now.
I want my camera.
Why you go over to my baby mother house and one fight her out?
And that she tell her, some more fight her up. Me never got to argue with her. Pass my pass, and my sister me end up a pass so she live calm. Me not didn't know where she live. And I see her, and remember I go through your phone and I see what me have to see. So I just give her a little warning, you know. So if I fight she wants, she can get the fight since she come and tell me should have beat her for true.
I don't know what to say. Because more me talk to you about them, you know what's strange, and I understand say you're overprotective of me. But just be honest and just realize I'm a really good person. You know, I know what you want, you know. I know what you want, and I'm going to give you this tonight in the office here. Secretary! You can't lock up and go home now. 9 o'clock in the morning. Don't worry about the early checkout. Just write at the side of the paper and left. Lock the door with the key. Me have my spare key for me. Alright? And lock the gate at the front door. You know what this means? Alright, Secretary. So, you know what this means though, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, no fun long time in the office wall here.
Yeah.
Over there.
Come inside now. Come and tell you now the house is ready. Come in, man.
Let's say you call me, but you truly want to do something but you don't know what you say.
You know what to sit down? Mr. Come in.
Yo, that problem joke with me, so I go on now.
Well,
First, let me apologize about yesterday. Yesterday, I come back and link you, I couldn't make it. Right? Because I get tired with some things. Is it? But differently now, we say what's so important? So wrong with my daughter?
well, my daughter okay and nothing you're in amateur, but I want to talk to you about she. You understand? It's like not the arm up on the head, right? That's all. But more you understand, I don't want you judge me, you understand?
Yeah. What may I say? This sounds serious. But talk to me still, man. I'm not judge you. After I'm not judge. Judge it not. Judge you, judge me. I'm not judge you because you can't judge me. Talk to me and tell me what I'm going now.
Alright, me will tell you, and this is just the truth. You see, my daughter, like back in the days, like anytime she was, when I was younger, right, and...
So you can't say your daughter?
Relax now, it's like our daughter, right? I'm not sure if the child is really yours because my man, what I did at the time, is like me that sex with one at the same time. When the man go overseas, me that sex you and sex in between the same period. So me cannot feel so the child might be yours and the child might be his, because when he returned just the other day, a dead stamp of the man, I say, I wonder if I could jut a pitney. I saw me, I think to myself, you know.
What me I say to you though, you think say and feel say, how much money did I spend over a period of time? Right? How much is your old is the daughter now? And I mind that daughter before in a belly me I feed her and thing. Me left for a time now I'm still take care of my pitney. So there's no way you can say this is not my pitney. And what me I say to you though? You go do a DNA, right? Do a DNA and hope for the best. But I'm tell you something. I not get angry, because last year and them time I get angry and I realize it don't make no sense. You know what I mean? More deal with calm. Because I remember time when they were going for me after I get pregnant, you lock me up for pitney maintenance. I'm going to do my time. I'm going to come back home, my penalty past age of consent. No, start look at business and things turn around. You know what I mean? So one thing I say to you is if I know my pitney, plan fee, compensate me for all of the years them I spend on that child. You know what I mean? I still go over my daughter, but you have to pay back every red cent if I know my pitney because you're wicked. If you are sleep with one man, no condom is okay. But if you are sleep with two, one of them must use condom at all times. What can I mix up that? I could have catch a virus from you. He's a wicked piece of girl. I'm going to tell people all the while them things you're normal, you're soft. You're wicked.
I understand what you are trying to say to me, you know. I have a strong point, but understand this, I remember say, my man, me have sex with my man, right? Because of my man, and you become the man. And I tell her, say, use condom, I come to me say, oh, it's nicer without condom, man. It's nicer, you want wiggle inside. And I say, stop it, you understand? So, me don't want to use condom. I don't want to use condom, and I like to say, I'm curious kind of woman. I never say the child is not yours. I say there's a possibility the child might not be yours. You understand? So just, you know why you start things to me as some careless type of girl. Because I'm a decent, respectable young lady. I just say things happen at times. You understand? Sex is lovely. Jesus.
You might fool some people, say decent. But I go tell you that you're not decent, you're not special than nobody else. Boy, only one thing I say to you, hope stay, my pitney. Because I go live good either way, you know what I mean? Because I never trust you at the beginning, now I trust you at the end. Anyway, when I have to go back, I'm an officer now, I'm sorry for dealing. And do not say this to my daughter until you're 100% sure after you do DNA. I don't want to, because I know how our minds stay. You're a wicked piece of mama. Boy, I said to you, still don't call on my phone, you know. Until you have the DNA result. You see how for pick me. What them saying for though? But them going to take a piece of my hair?
I can't use your saliva and her saliva at the same time. Maybe a toothbrush or a toothbrush.
Whenever you get book the appointment down the place in DNA and let me know. Ready, because we don't really like to know for picnic, but you're wicked though.
So now the money can contribute to the DNA test.
Go away and don't talk to me.
Don't talk to me. So you're not my love bro.
No, if you back I did a bust come on. But you know, don't talk to me.
Are you crossing upon yourself?
So don't talk one more time.
I ain't no such a picture of it though. No way I try though.
Yo, man, I give you know.
Come on, man.
Come on. I'm build a house again, you know. You take back for again, you know.
That too, boy.
You're good at live on the road over the done. But a short some my picnic.
Jacket to my picture.
Hello, Mr. Me licking your mouth, you know. Stop chat.
But I'm being honest.
Me go take restraining. Hey, remember, you know, when we did to you last time, you know. Do not play me around the mouth. You see your mouth getting a problem.
I'm gonna find some idiot, man. And that's enough to... Tell about Rasta, man.
Yeah, look, man, very promising, yeah?
Not you. You should not respect my honesty. Trevor finally, right? Just step on the phone, so I may
I come back to Jamaica to start some business, you know. Can't make all that money just done out. You see, I have to know what I do, you see. So you are saying now?
Boy, unfortunately, you have an next child, you have a daughter. Me give the child to somebody else because when I was leaving, me never sure you gonna come back. So, sadly, me give your child to our next man. As in your DNA, your child, your blood, sweat child, yeah, to our next man. You have a daughter.
So when me that foreign, you know make me give me daughter money, me no know my daughter. What my daughter there?
Alright, to be honest with you, the thing is that I'm not sure. It's like me feel sorry yours and I feel like for the next man because the pitney look like it wound. The pitney resemble you a lot. Just the other day I come back me and say, I wonder if I could jutta one because the pitney just look like it because on the same space of time when I left Ghana foreign, one next man start riding me too. So I don't know. Unfortunately, sorry for this, but I'm not sure. So you can always do a DNA test to make sure, you understand?
So where she there? Where she there?
Up our next father yard.
Up our next father.
Up the man where
you listen where you say look a while. Up our next father. This really have to go start out. More see her, you know. If you go up on the phone or something, but more see her. Cause if me have a daughter, post me go up on the road and go look after my daughter.
I can't leave now because she's so coming up so I can go and ease back till she come. She's on her way.
If you know, you don't know mission too. So go just try call her and see her.
Alright, I'll do that now. Boy. Hello? My daughter? How far I reach now? Come home now. Emergency. But be safe, here? Your mommy away upon you. Come home now. Alright, cool. Love you. Boy. Guess what now, Jutta? She and I will come home, but guess what? You can't mention this to her on a town. But I tell her, say you feel or you think I know, say you are the father. She can't know until we're sure. She love brush her teeth and she love do her ear, so guess what I'm gonna do? We can always use her ear sample and give it to you so we can do the DNA test, you understand? But do not utter any word to her about me and...
Mommy! What emergency at that home?
Guess what? Before they reach, come over. Look, Teddy.
After me, I you talk about emergency. Yes, the emergency. What emergency?
This is the uncle, your long lost uncle, Uncle Jutta. Look, I'm dark like we.
So this is an emergency? Now this is man there look me.
And I look after choke, I'm saying, I never know me have them bigness. I'm saying a nice treat and she look good. You always take money for the son, why make you never take money for your daughter too? Yo, me dey back at Jamaica, man. You not go alright, man. Sorry about that niece, man. Sorry about that still, man.
Take it easy, because you couldn't know. You see, same thing me tell about your dressing on the road. Look how you dress. Supposed to didn't even use your knife and tear it down. Girl, be careful of your dressing. Anyways, your uncle this year.
Alright, all of that. Just done all of that. Me have something for a deal on. I want to place it clean. But the whole of it there, man. One of them days, I have family in the man. Cook up a big pot and all of the reason and get to know how to better. You see me?
Yeah, why not? Sure.
Yeah. Yo, what go on?
What about Jutta?
Me there, man.
Well, like you just a touch down.
Nah, man, touch down already, man.
Well, man, cheers shot.
Yeah, man, I know that now talk about, man. Come and do some business, then. Buy and sell. Want to sell the artist clothes, man, artist handbag them and them something there. You hear me I say no? Me say you know, you buy online and them something there. You see me now offline, more the thing them so. Want to wire some money to you, just shopping for me.
I mean, man, I mean that anything with
buying for online. I say, I love do. I love shop online. Guys, when I shop online, you get everything cheap. Everything better. You can make some money. You say you want to buy and sell. So you hear me I say, I send on 500,000 man. I'm just get down everything for you. Simple.
You have cash up?
No, me have my bank account. Just send it to MCB. Me will get it. Give me a phone. I'm put in it. Man, I come. US, I come from, you know, man. US. You have it, man. You have it. Alright. So, that's my 9-digit account number. And you know my name, that's right. So you just transfer the money. Anyway, if you can put your original 50 for it, no problem.
When I do the work, we send out some money here. I don't do the shopping.
That's what I tell you, I couldn't jump on it.
More than one shopping, I do. You really have the money, no cash for me. No worry yourself, man. We start you up, man. Why I money to you? You know, say buy shopping and shopping, change all that.
So what about your baby mother when you go find me? You know, check her?
Go link her around the man. Check her and thing, man. You know.
I'm good.
Different man around half the thing.
And that me go tell you, no. Me
I
no informer, but me tell you, say, pass your woman. Win there, no. And it come like a wall, she a climb, you know, the better man a do him in there, no.
Actually, a long time left,
you know,
man.
actually.
Is it? No, them really?
But you're supposed to can get him back, man. No, you know, money now, man. USA I come from, you know. Or one, you know, Juta one time, you know, rhyme the Juta again. What want?
You know, someone invite me over today. Yeah, taxi, man. Over there, I come from. Where you go taxi? Sometimes I'm near the man, but just I go on like say, yeah, a long time I left, you know, I'm still can't come back and go some book back. I even call you. Watch her. When I do shopping, you call me and give you a next step up on the chain.
Oh, you mean? Juta, take back your tune, me boy. Oh, you mean? Eh? I want 500,000. Let it come. Let it come.
Brian! I can't answer. Look at there. Name I call her.
What do you know?
Let me get the results now. You never see it?
Sure.
Sure. So I come the right time. Breakfast time or lunchtime.
Remember saying not too much on friend thing. So what the result be? What opinion is it?
Boy. So the result here. Brittany dad. DNA report. Should I read it or you will?
Read it me what them say.
Sure.
You open already?
Obviously, of course.
So over Brittany.
Wait, no?
No, I'm laughing back.
I'm not laughing, no, so I just ever up this, whatever. Dear Miss K. Shannon.
Hello.
Mr. Dad is not.
Alright, so I'm not. Come out of my office here. Come out of my office then. Go on where you go. Come out of my office and just look out for the last suit. You have any money where you spend from that time you have to pay me back. Because you say it was my child and I've been supporting you and I lock up for that picking much time. Listen to me. Come out of my office. Where's security there?
We can't talk it out.
Somebody call the security.
We can't talk it out.
Come out of my office, please.
Let's come to a deal now. We're adults now. You're not involved in this. We can't talk it out.
Listen to me. I'm a business person now. Back in there I wasn't a business person. That's why I make sure to be more rougher. But since I'm a business person, I love business. So I'm going to tell you now. I'm going to calculate how much money I spend per month and how much month is in over 17 years. Alright?
It wasn't planned.
Get out of here. Get out of my office. I don't have the time to talk. I'm eating my breakfast.
Can I call you?
Do whatever you want to do. But yeah, call me. Because we have got to see all the money came
No, we can't talk it out. Please. I understand, so you're frustrated and you're mad and upset.
No.
But understand, no. People make mistakes. Are you?
Hello.
I couldn't know because me have sex. You want me have sex just at the
I don't care about that. My advice to you, go care about all that drama. Even when me have the house, I'm give the house, I'm shine my house to you. You can't go to court for maintenance same way. I do my time, I'm come back out of jail, I'm spend the money and ensure everything alright. No matter business is successful, here come the best part of the story. Because you didn't know a long time and I Pitney. I hear the rumor, but I say I don't really believe it. People say it to me. I'm say it to you, you say, oh, people is bad mind. And you know, if you want a family member, no, say, I know my Pitney. So here now, just deal with the consequence. We'll rub out it too. If we not go to the law, I'm going to tell you how much money you owe me. Then we figure it out. Later.
You know, say too wicked and unfair. I must say two are we involved. Per se, could I say Juta is the father, you know. Juta is not the father. You understand? Juta invest and you invest. It's all investing on the Pitney. So what's the big deal? Put us another next month position.
Invest.
You invest on the Pitney and the man investing in Pitney too at the same time. Because I'm not sure who. We just come out saying.
What do you say now? So when you take money from me? You take money from a friend?
Of course. Coming and sure what X-Man must do. Money can't be enough. We know this Jamaica is very hard. Money can't be enough.
Say it again. Say it again.
You can't record me now.
Say, when I give you money if you pin on your lap, no, if you pin on tails, you have a next one a friend of mine in the same way?
If you not hear it before, you're not going to hear it again. Me don't talk. But I must put yourself in a one next man position. People all make mistakes.
Talk to my liar. Don't talk to my liar. Later.
First thing.
Don't talk to my liar.
Say, if you give a piece of ass, say everything you can, I think you could have.
Let go. May I spit? Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. Come on there. Hey, yo. Hey boy.
Let people man alone. I want to see people man. Let them. Look at one. Let people man. Let people man.
Oh my. My son. I'm sorry. Come back home now. One man just attacked me. Come back home now. Please.
Mommy.
Come if you come now.
Which one is it?
In the room.
In the Oh.
I'm stressed out. My day are good enough. Bed and everything are nice up, laying up on my bed. So me listen to the heartbeat of my baby inside of my bed because I just know I'm pregnant, right? When I look, me and one man come up. Stop that people, man. You know, take people, man, and start piss me. Queer.
So you take people, man?
But remember. When I remember.
You don't remember?
You don't understand, you know, my son. And I like say me really want to take people, man, but sometimes the man them tell me say them single. Few days after, oh, you know me have one girlfriend, you know me have this nagging ex, me have a baby mother or a wife. The man them these days just they tell too much lies.
You know say you're hypocrite smart, you know? You're hypocrite smart.
What you mean?
You're hypocrite smart. Why you have to
You don't understand. I don't
so when you use Peter?
Use him and I want to come take our belt like some him son. I mean, sure we can't have a chat properly.
So you make a man with him behind and
beat him? You have gun. You have one gun too.
You must know you put yourself in that.
Please, my son, me sorry, say me. You come out, but I'm making a force to come out still. Please, stay here so with me, don't leave me. My only boy, please.
Yeah, beg your money.
I don't have the money now, but I can't promise you. I don't have the money now.
Well, yeah, I sleep down 2 times, but not tonight.
You can't just stay tonight. I'm supposed to man, you don't love me, I'm supposed to man come back again.
You know, lock up your house and stay here and go to nobody. Yeah, I go on the road so later.
So I must report it to the police. May I take you? Go out of my house, man. Tell us I'm not take nobody, man. It's just a misunderstanding. These men, these men, they're liars. Every time, me single. I am single. Can you be my girlfriend? You don't understand. You're still young.
I remember later.
Love you.
Yo,
17.
Yo, what my daughter there?
No, we're not farm against me shop.
What my daughter there?
Which daughter?
DNA come true, you know. My daughter there.
Second from.
Yeah. Say you no boy I can't know. What my daughter? Where she there? Where she there now?
She's not here, me say she's not there.
Where she there? Which part she there?
Where
she there?
Up her father yard.
Up her what? Yo, come on, she no respect. Yo, you must. Where you take man for? Up our father. Are you there come to already? Yo. Where you take man for? Where you take man for? Where you take man for, eh? Where you take...
Hey!
Sit down there so I'm going to talk to you, hear me?
You know, so for a long time you beat man, you not change though. How many supposed to know so the DNA coming through? So I'm not going to talk about no. I want to think, I want to believe.
You know, say you want you know, easy.
Hey, no come up here now. Don't come up on my yard. I can't give you a number for call and come up on my yard. But data. I'm supposed to know that. But it's sure. For a long time you beat woman. Don't do it again.
You know what? It's like come DNA come through now. Not even live she have to live up here. You hide my daughter from me all along. Look how she get big now. Eh? I know you come tell me about she there one next father. Alright man, you not sit back up here now. Let me tell you, yeah.
No, the blood come on. And don't come back, Mandita. There's some left here, I'm gonna breed for next man.
As me I say, baby, no man, no worry, money be there. I'm a rich dude now. I'm very rich.
Yo, homie, watch out. You bet some hurt a youth. You know how long me give man my money, my youth, and tell the man to do something for me, brother. And watch ya. Yo, you don't know say you can't run favor. And who can hear her feel?
Brittany, my daughter.
Sorry?
Good morning.
Morning.
I want to say something to you, but I know why you hate me here.
What do you mean?
You know, if you tell the truth, you know the same man when I say your uncle, when he Juta Rhyme, the Rasta man.
What dream?
You know, I say are you real father for true and your uncle?
What?
Yes. The other Rasta man who have money all this time when he Brian. And your father that a Juta Rhyme, the tall one who just come from foreign.
So what he did to me then? Brian?
Just say you half a father but not your father. You can't say your step I know your father that. Cause we just do the DNA test and result come true, so Juta Rhyme and your father, your papa the one day, your real father.
Mommy, right now let's go and talk to you later.
I'm sorry, you hear?
You know what here?
But me never know, you don't understand.